Hello everyone, so today I would just like to show you what I've been lately working on, which is just some simple script that will calculate when an exoplanet will basically orbit its star. And I've got this website here to prove that it's actually working, my script, and I'm just gonna run it. So python 3 main.py, and you can see it loaded the database, like it's just a CSV file, and it prompts us to select an option. There's only one option, so that's easy, and I'm gonna use Kepler 1932b. You can write this however you want, and you can see it found the planet in our database, and now we just give it the next few transits to calculate. So I'm gonna use 5, and you can see it gives us a transit on the 26th of May at 9:57, and if you look here we can see a transit at 9:59 in the 26th of May. This actually shows the transit midpoint, not the actual start of the transit. That's why we take the middle option here as well, and we can choose another planet if you want. I'm just gonna close out, and if you go here you can see this is the actual code that's running, and basically we load the data and we do some not really efficient stuff, especially here. I believe there should be a better option to do this, but I just can't be bothered. And if you look here, this is the actual file, the CSV file with all our data. It's like 100 megabytes, I believe. I could be totally wrong on this. And it just shows us all the information that we could possibly ever want for each of these planets, and we use that in our program. So this is all. Have a nice day.